Man, this totally reminds me of the Bird movie. You know, where the crazy birds went senile. There's like thousands, about 1,000 of them or more. Look at that. Come here, Isaiah. Isaiah. Come here a minute, son. There they go. Oh my words. They're flying over me. Watch out for bird crap, guys. How cool is that? Isaiah, look up. Look at the birds. Isaiah, look at them. Hurry. Isn't that cool? They're everywhere. Oh my God, I hope they don't crap on me. I'm scared. Help. Now they're going to land back. Isaiah, I'm scared. Watch out for bird poop. Okay, please land back into the tree, birds. But anyways, that was pretty cool. I'm glad I recorded that. How awesome. That is like the highlight of my freaking day, guys. But we, my hair's like blown all over my head now. But we came out here to eat. Get down. At this Chinese restaurant. It's a Golden Oak Grill buffet. So that's what we're doing. But anyways, guys, that was pretty cool. And we're going to go in here and eat now that we've seen these awesome birds do their thing. But they're back in their trees making their racket. But I thought that was cool how they flew off. But they're everywhere. But anyways, guys, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.